Today we're going to play the water flow game. You got to set up waterfalls and all, make the water flow to the waterfall. Let's see how we do it here. Play, options, music on and off, sound on and off, store, rate, back. Okay, let's play one. Let's try the easy. Level 1. See, we gotta get the water from there to the fountain over there. See how you do it? Like so. Oops. There we go. That right there. Here we are. That's pretty fun. It's a little harder as you go along. Ooh, 5, was it 4, 7 pieces here. Ooh. Let's see how we do this. There's one. No. There we go. Gotta get it flowing the right direction. There we go, into the water fountain. Alright, completed level 2. Level 3. Ooh, this is a toughie. See that light bulb up there? If you click that, it'll show you how it has to be completed. And you got to go back and put it together. Yeah. I think maybe we need to use that light bulb. No. Show solution, yes. Okay, there we go. On top, around and down. Okay. Now you got to remember this and go back and start it. What did we do with that one? What do we do now? No. I looked at the correct way to do it and forgot how it goes. Now there's how it goes. That's the hint. I gotta remember that. Okay, he goes up there. No, right there. Right there. And right there. Okay, we got it. Wow, that was tough. Level 3 completed, though. I think that's maybe about as far as we're going to go this time. This is not as easy a game as I thought it was going to be. See how we get out of it here. There we are. Exit. Yes, sir. Back to the phone, and we will see you next time.